welcome to Tech Release channel. Today we will discuss one of the most important Linux command, df, the short form for disk free. This displays information related to file system. It displays the space available on all currently mounted file system. So let's see some of the option. df without any option displays all the details related to all the file system mounted. For example, number of bytes used, number of blocks available, the use percentage, and also where the file system is mounted. Suppose if it is df minus a, displays all the information, that is all the mount points related to all the mounted file systems. df minus h displays the information in the human readable format. That's it. Friends, help, that is man, is always there. Please check that for all the other options. Like this video, subscribe, and then we'll see you.